Good morning, boys and girls. We are on Unit 5, Week 5, Day 3 in our morning workbooks, and it is Wacky Wednesday. The directions say edit and write each sentence correctly, write the correct contraction for the words in parentheses. Number 1, what could not he promise to do? Fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Number 2, they should have been sorry. Same thing, fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Pause your video, do number 1 and number 2. Daily math review, do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pause your video and do those. Number 6, what fraction is the shaded part? So how many parts are there is the denominator. How many parts are shaded goes here, that's the numerator, and then that all together equals one whole. So write your answers here. Pause your video, do number 6. Number 7, you guys know what to do on this. Pause your video, do number 7. Number 8, Dylan says his bicycle is 5 yards long. Is that a good estimate? Why or why not? Pause your video, do number 8. All right, so from number 9, it says from midnight until noon is AM or PM, and then from noon until midnight is AM or PM. You can only circle one for each half. Pause your video, do number 9. And we'll start checking from the top. What could not he promise to do? So could not together is going to be couldn't. What couldn't, and apostrophe T, he promised to do, and that sounds like a question to me, so we need a question mark in here. And then we're going to rewrite it nice and neat on the line. All right, number 1 looks good. Number 2, they should have been sorry. So we need a capital. Should have is going to still be should. And then should have, because we're adding have, so we're getting rid of the H and the A and replacing it with an apostrophe. They should have been sorry. This is been like a name. We want this word, B-E-E-N. Been sorry. S-O-R-R-Y, period. And we're going to rewrite it nice and neat on the line. All right, number 2 looks good. Daily math review. 12 minus 6 is 6. 14 minus 6 again equals 8. 10 minus 6 equals 4. 11 minus 6 equals 5. And 13 minus 6 equals 7. What fraction is the shaded part? So there's 3 parts that are shaded, and there's 3 parts total. So 3/3 equals one whole. All right, so let's see. We're going to break this up into parts. So we're going to add 24 and 56. So that's going to give me a 10, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 80. And then 59 and 27 we'll do over here. So that's going to be 16. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 86. So 80 and 86. I'm going to actually take a shortcut on this, okay? Because I know 8 plus 8 equals 16, right? So if 8 plus 8 equals 16, 80 plus 80, right? This is what I'm thinking in my head. 80 plus 80 equals 160. And then I add 6 more, so 160 plus 6 equals 166. A little mental math to help out. Number 8, Dylan says his bicycle is 5 yards long. Is that a good estimate? Why or why not? Hopefully you said no. Because think about a yardstick, right? That's how long a yard is. And we're saying his bicycle is 5 yardsticks long. I would guess that if it's a kid's bicycle, it might be a little over 1 yardstick long, but definitely not 5 yardsticks. So I would say no, there are 3 feet in a yard. And a bicycle is probably only 5 4 or 5 feet. And a bike is only 4 or 5 feet long. All right, from midnight until noon is AM, and from noon, right, lunchtime, until midnight is PM. And we are all done with our morning work. Good luck with your next assignment.